Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install some games on your Samsung Galaxy M14 but you can't seem to find them on a Google Play Store. And to do this, first we'll need to open our Google Play Store and actually try to find the games. So let's go with Call of Duty. As you can see, there's no game that we can download. There's this icon, but nothing happens when we click on it. The same is with Diablo Immortal and most of the games. So let's also try it. Yep, there's no game. And to fix this, we'll need to go back, click on your profile picture, head on to the settings, open family, enter the parental controls, and now either disable them entirely by clicking right on that switch, or go for apps and games, enter the PIN code, click on OK and increase your PG to 16 or 18. Make sure to save your settings afterwards, and if you go back and look for the Call of Duty, it should be right here, and if we try Diablo, it's also right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.